Hello everyone, Steve from Martell Training Group. Today we're going to be reviewing the MIRA Safety CM-6M Tactical Gas Mask. I always talk about being prepared, whether it's situational awareness, training, or having the right equipment, whether this is everyday carry, having an emergency bag in your vehicle or at home, including first aid kit, extra ammunition, and basic survival gear. This should definitely include some type of CBRN defense. We're going to go through an overview of the mask and the filter, and then we're going to get into the pros and the cons. So I have to tell you that as a retired state trooper, I was a New Jersey trooper for 25 years, and we were all assigned some type of a CBRN mask over the years. Each trooper's issued a mask to keep with them at all times in their vehicle, in their gear, in the event of a CBRN incident that you have to respond to. So I'm well familiar with these types of masks, and I'm also a former paramedic, so I can appreciate the importance of having a CBRN defense on hand. CBRN means that it's capable of protecting you from any chemical, biological, radiological, or nuclear exposure. So what makes the CM-6M a CBRN mask is the type of rubber that it's made out of. It's a bromobutyl rubber, which is resistant to the blistering agents that are found in CBRN exposures. So as a general overview, MIRA Safety calls this their flagship product. So this is a very popular item. Before I get into it, there is a link at the top of the video and also in the description. If you want more information or you're interested in purchasing one of these, please click on the link, but not until you watch the rest of the video. So as you can see, there are actually two NATO 40mm ports. So you can have dual filtration if you desire, or you can block the one. Then you see the one side is blocked here, and then we have the open side here for the filter. And these are 40mm NATO compatible ports. It's a full face mask for situational awareness, so you have an 83% field of vision here. Also, there's a built-in hydration system, which is compatible with Camelback bladders and hydration systems. So this connects here and it hooks right on here. We also have a speech diaphragm for better communication. You turn it over, there are six-point harness straps on the back with a mesh area, and each one is individually adjustable. This allows proper adjustment for a secure fit. And I can tell you from wearing long-term masks for hours and hours, you appreciate the 6-point straps in the back. It also comes with a canteen for the hydration system. On their website, you can read all about the company. They're in Austin, Texas, the headquarters, but their products are trusted worldwide. They're used by multiple government agencies, police agencies, military agencies, fire departments, first aid squads, all kinds of first responders. It does meet Class 3 for EN 136 standard, which means it's a great choice for riot control situations because it has impact-resistant face mask. Also has a 20-year shelf life. So if it's stored properly, it should last 20 years. There are all sorts of accessories available for this mask, including a microphone system, a VPU, a voice projection unit, spectacle accessories, which means you can upload your eyeglass prescription to MIRA Safety and they'll make you glasses which will connect to the mask system. It also has a tear-off system accessory available, which means that if the mask gets dirty or your view gets obstructed, you tear that off in the field and you're ready to go. At the time of the recording, the price of this was $263.99. Now this is the filter that we're going to review. This is the NBC 77 SOF CBRN filter. This also has a 20-year shelf life. Military spec filtration system deployed worldwide by NATO troops. So it's a 40mm NATO compatible with a wide variety of respirators. Protects from a wide variety of toxic and harmful substances, including CBRN agents. The filter comes with an information card, which includes technical specifications, use, applications, testing of the filter, storage, and disposal. At the time of this review, the price was $79.99. So let's get into the pros. First and foremost pro that I like is that it's a full face panoramic view, 83% field of vision for situational awareness. That's very important to me. We have a built-in hydration system. We also have a speech diaphragm so you can better understand the person wearing the mask, and compatible accessories available. As far as the filter pros, we also have a 20-year shelf life on this. Compatibility with commonly available NATO 40mm respirators for interchangeability. Protects against a wide range of known CBRN toxic agents, including radioactive iodine. It's used by military personnel, CBRN specialists, and special operation forces all over the world. It's certified by European agencies and has a CE symbol. As far as the cons go, there was really only one, and it's not really even a con, and I'll explain. Initially, the price seems high, especially if you're considering buying one of these systems for each family member. However, if you look at what comes with the CM-6M, including the built-in hydration system, the speech diaphragm, the capacity to have 2 filters simultaneously, and the 20-year shelf life, to me, it's well worth the money. So what or who is this for? As far as the what, it's for general preparedness and CBRN applications. As far as the who, it's for anyone who wants to be prepared for any CBRN emergency. That's any chemical, biological, radiological, or nuclear incident. This mask is a great addition to any go bag or emergency kit that you keep in your house, in your car, at your office. It doesn't take up a lot of space. You know, that emergency kit that you'll keep extra ammo, first aid, basic survival gear in the event of an unexpected emergency where you can grab it and just go. This mask does not take up a lot of space. It can fit right in there. And please, folks, check out the link above if you want more information or you're interested in purchasing one of these. Also, we'll have a link in the description and on our website. And again, please check out the website because they do offer these masks and protection equipment for all the members of the family, kids and the elderly as well, even pets. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with anyone you think will benefit or will be interested. And please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and if you do, hit that notification bell so you know when we release new videos. As always, thanks for watching, take care, and stay safe.